चल हो जा शुरू।
केसरिया से मन जोगी हुआ रे, दिल झूमे देखो पतवारा हुआ रे, दिल झूमे देखो पतवारा हुआ रे।
हर पल मनाओ केसरी त्योहार। विमल, बोलो जुबान केसरी।
CBI team, viewers, has reached Godhra city in Gujarat's Panchmahal district to investigate the case of irregularities in the NEET UG medical entrance exam that was held on the 5th of May. And the details that are coming in show that the 4-member CBI team has reached Godhra for probe in the NEET irregularities. The CBI team reaches Godhra to probe this, and we've also got pictures, these live pictures that CBI team reaches Godhra as a part of the investigation. And in the ongoing investigation, remember, in the NEET irregularities, the CBI team has arrived. The visit marks a significant step in the probe after discrepancies in the examination process. And the breaking news that's coming in, it's not only Godhra but also Patna that the CBI teams have reached to probe the alleged irregularities for admission to the undergraduate medical programs. The pictures on the screen showing the CBI team that has reached Godhra to probe further. And after this NEET paper leak case, the CBI team is also trying to get more details. I want to go across to Priyanka, who's also joining us live from Godhra in this case. And we're also going to try and see whether the Godhra Gujarat Police, the FIR that was filed by them on the first day and booked coaching teachers, including directors of centers and CBI team there, and all those details are going to be probed. Very clear pictures of the CBI team that has reached Godhra. Priyanka, if I can cut across to you, what are the details you are picking up? There are 5 CBI officers, viewers, that have arrived in Godhra for the investigation. They're reaching the Godhra office. They're probing their irregularities, and incidents in the states that have been now coming forward are Patna and Godhra, with also including local police cases that are also there in Bihar and Gujarat. This will also be a part of the investigation of the NEET investigation. Let me go across to Satya Prakash, who is joining us on this case. Satya Prakash, what are the details that you have? CBI team has now reached Godhra.
देखिए रिदम, महाराष्ट्र की बात करें तो महाराष्ट्र के लातूर में शिवाजी नगर पुलिस स्टेशन में नीट स्कैम मामले में 4 लोगों के खिलाफ FIR दर्ज हुआ है, जिसमें जलील पठान नाम के एक शख्स को लातूर पुलिस ने अरेस्ट किया है, जबकि 3 लोग फरार हैं। एक शख्स का नाम है गंगाधर, जिसको दिल्ली से कनेक्ट है और वह बंदा दिल्ली का रहने वाला है। और जो महाराष्ट्र के 3 लोग हैं, तीनों लोग का नेटवर्क दिल्ली के गंगाधर के साथ था। और जो मोबाइल फ़ोन से जो जानकारियां मिली है कि जो हॉल टिकट के साथ साथ क्वेश्चन पेपर के साथ साथ जो स्टूडेंट के बीच में बातचीत हुई है, पैसे का लेन देन हुआ है, सारी चीज़ कहीं कहीं गंगाधर के साथ जुड़ी हुई है, जो कि गंगाधर जो है दिल्ली का रहने वाला है। लातूर पुलिस गंगाधर की तलाश कर रही है, साथ ही संजय यादव की तलाश कर रही है, साथ ही एक शख्स की और तलाश कर रही है। तो महाराष्ट्र के लातूर में 4 लोग खिलाफ कंप्लेन FIR फाइल हुआ है, और जिसमें एक लोग को अरेस्ट किया गया है। जो बताया जा रहा है कि जो गंगाधर नाम शख्स है वही मास्टरमाइंड है, जो महाराष्ट्र में जो यहाँ नीट का स्कैम वाला मामला आया है। फिलहाल लातूर पुलिस गंगाधर के साथ साथ 2 लोग को और ढूंढ रही है। जी
Absolutely. And viewers, I also want to tell you, like Satya Prakash was also telling us, in the Maharashtra paper leak case, Latur police have also registered a case against 4 individuals in a major disclosure from the FIR. The hall tickets, that's another, were found on the mobile of accused. We're also going to go across to that story. But like Satya Prakash is giving us details, I want to tell our viewers. Okay, let me go across to Prakash Singh, my colleague joining us on the story. Prakash, May 4th, 20 to 25 students gathered at the play school. There were people who were distributing the question papers. 6 people have been arrested even in Jharkhand. And we've seen even in Patna that the NEET paper leak day before the exam, burnt NEET question papers were found and 13 people are arrested. Prakash, all these details you're getting, the accused and the other people you've spoken to, how soon do you think they'll be able to solve this entire paper leak NEET crisis?
Well, Rhythm, the circumstantial evidences that have been gathered so far now, it appears that it's a matter of question leak, and all the confessional statements, various documents that were seized from the accused on the day of the examination as well, and on the basis of that, those 4 admit cards, the police, Patna police, started getting the clue. And as you rightly mentioned, they went to the play school as well, where the students were mugged up, and that too on the basis of the confessional statement of the students as well as one of the main accused, Sikandar Yadav. The burnt question papers were recovered. And now yesterday 6 people have been arrested from Deoghar in Jharkhand, where Chintu, having confessed that he was the one who got the question paper and got the printout of 12 set of question papers and gave them to 35 students to mug up and cram the answers. And thereafter, there is a syndicate that is operational in this. Through Rocky, they got the question paper, and on the top, the chief mastermind was Sanjeev Mukhia, who is on the run. Sikandar Yadavendu has also turned out to be a kingpin who arranged students, who took money and took his cut money and distributed to different parts, different people. And this network of gang is operational in the entire country. It's a huge nexus from Ranchi to Gujarat to Haryana and to other places as well. Now that the CBI is taking over the case, they are in close consultation with the Bihar EOU, which has done a fantastic job so far as Patna being the epicenter of this entire question paper leak. And very soon you will see that CBI taking up the case and putting the pieces together with the corroborative evidences so that more bigger fish could be nailed out, because we have already seen how the NTA chief was sacked. Dharmendra Pradhan was not very happy with the NTA. It's a face-saving exercise so far, but we'll have to wait and watch if at all the examination of NEET 2024 is cancelled or not. That's a big question, because there are many students who are raising questions because they have toiled hard, worked hard for it, and because of the abnormal shoot-up in the cut-off marks of the entrance examination, there are many genuine students who have suffered a lot, who will not be able to get into good medical colleges or not even get medical college because the cutoff has shot up.